Hey everyone, this is Chris over at AceVacuums, your one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs and all your Dyson repair and parts needs. Today we're going to be looking at one of the Dysons here. A customer brought this vacuum in because she was charging it up for a couple hours, and then every time she went to go use it, she'd only get like maybe 3 minutes, 4 minutes max on the battery life. After our testing was done, we noticed that the battery was bad and needs to be replaced. We get these in a lot for battery replacement, so we do these on the V6s, the 7s, the 8s, even up until the 10s and the newer ones. So what we're going to do is today we're going to show you guys how to replace a battery on the V7 here. We have our brand new battery here, and then the only tools you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver to replace this. It's very simple to do. What you're going to start off by doing is there's a red tab here at the top. You're going to pull this red tab up, and there's a little red button right here you're going to push in to remove that top tab there. Once you remove that top tab, you're going to have access to the bin. The bin bottom will release open, and then there's a little button down here that you're going to push in, and that will just slide right off. There's 3 screws here, so you have 1 here in the back, and then you have 2 at the bottom here. So what we're going to go ahead and do is remove those 3 screws, and that will give us access to be able to pull this battery out and be able to put the new battery in. Now, a lot of the common issues with these batteries is that they just don't stay running very long. They don't last very long. They die. Generally speaking, it's typical for a battery to go bad relatively quick in these. I've seen it a lot. But a new battery, with it being brand new, you should be able to get at least 25 minutes on a battery life there on its highest setting. Okay, so now that you remove the battery, you're going to have just a shell like this. The old battery is going to just slide right into the container opening here, and then move this tag out of the way. All right, so now you're going to put your screws back in. Tighten everything back down. Now, I recommend using genuine Dyson batteries. I know Amazon has a lot of those aftermarket ones that are relatively cheap, but I see those go faulty. Quicker than what a Dyson will. So just keep that in mind. I know Amazon has a lot of those Amazon specials on those batteries, but just keep in mind that they don't last as long. Alright, so now that we got that done, your battery's installed. You can reassemble the machine. This clip will slide right in here like so, and this will go right here in the top. And now you've replaced your battery and you're good to go. So if you guys have any questions, give us a call at 703-997-9292, extension 2 for Leesburg, extension 1 for here in Fairfax, and we can help you out with whatever questions you may have on the Dyson or any products that you may have that you're having concerns about. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any questions, give us a call at 703-997-9292. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with all of our how-to videos and things like that. All right, guys, you have a great day. Thank you.